We as Muslims do not worship the Kaaba. Even in the time of the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, our original Qibla was Jerusalem, was Quds. We used to pray facing Quds until Allah ordered that you pray facing Mecca. And the Kaaba is the center of it. But these are directions of prayer. We don't pray to it. For example, here in America, we pray northeast. Does that mean that we worship the direction, northeast? No. These are directions. And this is to show unity. We have in our prayer, bowing, prostration, these actions facing the direction of the Kaaba. Even today, when we're sitting here, we don't have little idols of the Kaaba. No, we look towards which way is the Qibla, and even if you're a little bit off, as long as the general direction, your prayer is fine. But it unites the Muslim Ummah. So this is not something we worship, but rather a direction we face.